idiot!
Where are you going? Where are you going? Hey! The f*** are you doing?
Merging turn. That was not a merging turn, dude.
You don't get as much space.
You don't, but how much corner did you want?
Dick.
Moron. That's got a dash cams.
Yeah.
Alright.
So it's a frame that's already got a mount in it, but it says if you take the mount out, it's 50 by 60 centimetres,
Hey up.
which is what we want.
Well, there's no entry.
Oh.
Well, I guess I'm.
But he ain't moving, so.
He ain't moving for shit, is he?
So I think you have to back up.
Well.
He's parked there because he doesn't want them
I wonder if they've been
to
on
do
the,
a runner.
I wonder if they've been on the rob. We'll hang around.
They're getting them to get out of the car.
Mm-hmm. They're not too serious, is it? Smell of poo there as well.
There are a lot of twatty drivers in Oxford.
There's a 40 zone as well. Got 40.
What's going on? What the oh my god.
This is Capital Dance.
Say, you can't go round. You so jumps a red light.
Really effective to the point where socially he's. Oh my god. 2 red light runners. And they got so far.
Oh dear. Shit, generally where it's catch gone, it's very weird.
Oh.
Somebody's jumped the lights.
No longer need to use our passports for the foreseeable. We'll be
It
able
doesn't help just having an R on it.
to the US.
Wow, that was scary.
Yeah. So I wouldn't have let him through, he'd have been backing onto the roundabout and causing a problem, so let him through and then things move a little bit smoother. Smoke while you work, I mean that's a benefit, isn't it? Fag on while you crack on. Love it.
Yeah, me too.
It's absolutely stunning. It used to belong
Well, if
to
you
the
won
judge.
100 million, you could spare 10 million to do it up
Oh,
and
yeah.
buy it, couldn't you?
And this is like 11 p.m.
Yeah.
and it's still There's a classic for you, Robin Hood. Oh, I will stop for the bus actually. They were distracted by that little beauty.